Okay, it's time for a new washer and dryer. The dryer I've repaired a couple times already. It's time to get a new one. Same thing with the washing machine. I've repaired it several different times, and so it's time to get a new one. But the problem I've got right now, it's using a copper tubing for my gas line going to the dryer. So what I want to do is install black pipe and replace that copper tubing. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's the copper tubing. So I will replace that. Now what I will do, I will cut a hole in the floor, drill a hole in the floor, and install this leg here, and then I will run my piping all the way over to my main gas line. So this will be inside that hole that I have to drill, and I'll show you that. But anyway, this is the drip leg that I'll put on it. Here's the gas valve. So first thing I'll do, I'll move this washing machine out of position where I can get in here and drill a hole to put this pipe in for my valve. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, there's the copper tubing coming down from the floor upstairs, and while we're running the piping along here, now this is a conduit, electrical conduit, so what I'll do, I'll temporarily move it out of the way, and then when I get it, the black pipe installed, I'll put an offset on that conduit and replace it. So I'll run it across like that, just like this copper here. I'll follow it along, and then I'll go across, same thing is here, and I'll have to put a 45 offset here to bring it up inside the joist. Bring it across. I hope you can see, it's kind of dark. Let me turn the other light on. But anyway, that's where it comes across at. And it's got a, here's the main. That looks like a 1-inch gas main, and that one goes down to the hot water heater. So it's already got a fitting there. So I'll remove that fitting and bring my black pipe across, and I'll put a union right about here for the black pipe. So that's the plan. Okay, I had to buy a 7/8 inch masonry drill because the biggest one I had in my toolbox was 3/4, so I needed the 7/8 for that pipe to go through. So anyway, I had to purchase that, and hopefully this drill motor will be powerful enough to drive it. And there's a scutcheon that'll go around the pipe as it goes through the floor. Okay, I got everything ready to start drilling. Now what I did, I took some masking tape and put about 3 or 4 layers on the floor, and what that's going to do is help the bit hopefully start without wandering all over the place. And if you notice, the cross mark is about 1.5 inch inboard toward the wall from the copper tubing, and that's the measurement I took so that the pipe comes down next to the wall. There's my drill bit ready to go, or my drill motor ready, and this is the star drill. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap that a few times and hopefully get something started so the drill bit doesn't work. So I'll give it a shot. Okay, we got her in the floor. Now, when I tried to use the drill, it was kind of slow going. So anyway, I ended up using the star drill, the old-fashioned way. That worked a whole lot better. So, of course, this is not 7/8, but I got it going, and pretty much all the way through. Then I finished it with the 7/8 inch masonry drill. So it's in now, so I'll go ahead and start putting it together. Okay, since I'm putting up a 10-foot piece, I can't hold it by myself. So what I did, I put a piece of board across the 2 joists, and the pipe will sit on here and run back that way. So that's like having another set of hands, so that's what I'll use. Okay, in order to put this little short piece in, which is 3-footer, Okay, I couldn't hold it and screw it in the 3-foot length, so what I did, I just put a screw in the joist, put a string for a loop, run the pipe through it, screwed it in. So now I'll go ahead and finish putting the clamps on it. Okay, I've gone just about as far as I can go right now because I need to go take some measurements and go get some pipe. So anyway, I got everything done up to this point, and then I'm going to go across. I need a piece of pipe to go across. And it will come through here. And I'll come out of here with a straight piece. And we put a union here. So I got to go get some parts to finish it up. Now to finish it up, I have to go to Home Depot to get some pipe cut and threaded to the exact width that I want. Now here's the tools I had to use. Cordless drill to put the brackets up, and a couple different sizes of pipe wrench, a hammer, and channel lock pliers. Now here is my pipe threader that I used years ago, but I was an electrician by trade, so I'm afraid I can't use this one, otherwise I would have cut and threaded my own pipe. But the problem is, pipe threads for a conduit, electrical conduit, is a straight thread. You need, for water pipes or black pipe, you have to use a tapered cutter. And I believe that these threads here are straight for conduit, and they will not work on gas pipes. So I can't use that. So I got to go and have Home Depot cut and thread me a couple pieces, and that'll finish the job. Okay, that's it. I've got the scutcheon on. I put some masking tape over the hole just to keep anything from falling down in there until I hook up my new dryer. But that's all set up here. So once I get my new dryer, I'll connect it in the basement and hook this up. So that's what I'll do. Thank you.